Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro finally here. You can pre-order them today. Yes, you can. I've got links in the description. You can get your great pre-order deals to go along with them. So, surprise of surprises, we got the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, the Pixel Watch 2. But here's the kicker. If you decide you want to pre-order the Pixel 8 Pro, you can get a Pixel Watch 2 for free. Yes, for free. That's a really good deal. And you can get up to $800 trade-in credit maximum. So that's a great deal. And also, if you want to get the Pixel 8, they've got a fantastic trade-in deal on that too, up to $800 trade-in credit. But Pixel Buds Pro. And those are actually really good. So I've got the original Pixel Watch here. They've made some improvements, all that great stuff, but doing the same thing they did last year, bundling it with the Pixel 8 Pro. So I think that's a fantastic deal. If you're in the market, you want to get the Pixel 8, you want to get the Pixel 8 Pro, you want to pick up a watch, you want to get those earbuds. And here's the thing. The Pixel Buds A series, they're perfectly good. They're all well and good and all that jazz. But the Pixel Buds Pro are on a whole nother level, have fantastic sound, some of the best earbuds that came out this past year. So lots of great options, opportunities here, new colors. The Tensor G3. I'm really excited to test this out as soon as I can get my hands on it because this is the latest and greatest. They stepped down a notch in the nanometer. We're at 4 nanometer territory now. We've got all the excitement, the power, and of course the fantastic AI, computational photography, all that stuff. So I'm curious to see how that translates because we should get better pictures, better video, all these great improvements with the new phone. Out with the old. Goodbye Pixel 7 Pro, goodbye Pixel 7, and pretty decent trade-in deal stuff too. And like I said, I've got links in the description you can use for that. Take you directly there. You can pre-order it through Google. You can go through Best Buy, which is what my links are for, and then Amazon. So yeah, pick your poison. If you're in the market, not trying to convince anyone to go buy one, but the pre-order stuff is king when it comes to this stuff. If you remember last year you could trade in and get the Pixel 7. Like if you traded in a Pixel 6, you could get a Pixel 7 for like 50 bucks last year. And then after the trade-in deals were over, after the pre-order period ended, they're like, yeah, we'll give you 200 bucks. We'll give you $180 for a Pixel 6. So I would encourage you, watch some reviews as they're available. Pay attention to my content. If you're going to make this decision, I highly recommend you do it during the pre-order period because that's when you're going to get the most bang for your buck. That's when you're going to maximize your trade-in deal. That's when you're going to get the most for your older phone because we know these older Pixel phones don't hold their value up very well at all. So Google is being pretty generous, I think. I think they're doing a pretty good job here. And then also the freebies. So you get up to $800 trade-in value maximum, regardless whether you trade in for the Pixel 8 or the 8 Pro. But that Pixel Watch goes a long way. I mean, it saves you several $100s there. The Pixel Buds Pro, that's a great, fantastic deal because the Pixel 8 is cheaper, right? It's cheaper. It's much, much cheaper. And I think the Pixel 8 for a lot of folks might be the way to go. That's the same thing I felt last year with the Pixel 7 because you get so many of the nice things. You get the primary camera, which is the same. You get the selfie camera. You get a higher refresh rate, even though it's only like 90 hertz. But still, I mean, you get some good deals. You get a lot of those advanced features, but not everybody wants to pay much more money for the other one. Don't want to pay $900, $800. That stuff's expensive. So, yeah, I think that Google does a really good job giving you so much, and they don't water down the 8 too much. So I think the Pixel 8, for those of you who want to get a nice deal with a flagship level phone, Tensor G3, and all those bells and whistles, plus the free Pixel Buds Pro, I think that's a good deal. And then if you want to go all out, you get the big shebang, get all the stuff, all 3 cameras, all the extra stuff that goes along with the Pro level Pixel 8 Pro, then I think that, yeah, that's probably a good deal. That's the route I'm going. A Pixel 8 Pro is for me. I'm likely going to get both. I'm hoping that Team Pixel will send me the 8 Pro. I don't have confirmation on this yet, but I'm hoping to get the 8 Pro. If not, then I'll buy it on my own. But I should be getting one of them. The other one I will buy. That's what I've done the last 2 years, 3 years, is I'll have to buy one of them. But I cover both of them for the channel. They're for 2 distinct audiences. Right? Not everybody wants the Pro series. Some people want the regular one, but some people, they just love to get the Pro model. That's what I do. Most tech enthusiasts, camera enthusiasts, all that stuff, you're going to want the Pro model. But again, like I said, up to $800 maximum trade-in value and those freebies. Don't discount the freebies because you won't get those later. Freebies are always good. So free Pixel Watch 2 with the Pro model, free Pixel Buds Pro with the regular 8 model. Again, links in the description. Go forth and prosper. And that's all I got in this video. I will follow up with more later. I'll have a live stream tonight. If you're watching this today, we're going to have a live stream tonight. I'm going to have another video here in a little bit talking more about the phones, but I wanted to go ahead and get this out there to let you know about the deals and all that stuff. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.